superbly awesome. So today I'm going to do this look. I just love Moni Roy, so I'm going to do her look from the serial Nagin, which comes on colors. So it's her inspired look, so I thought of doing it, and I know I'm not looking like her, but yeah, it's inspired makeup. I tried to look like her, and if you're interested in knowing how to create this look, then please keep on watching. To start off with the makeup, I'm using this sheer cover base perfector, and I'm just applying to my T-zone area where I sweat a lot, just to make my pores less visible. So I'm just applying there. Then I'm taking this L'Oreal Infallible L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour foundation plus my Color Essence foundation illuminator, body illuminator, and I'm just mixing two of them and applying it. And I'm using this brush, and I sprayed this Makeup Revolution fixer onto the brush and just applying it onto my with the help of this brush, I'm just spreading off my foundation properly. This will help my foundation to stay on face for the longer period of time. Then I'm using this Dyna of London concealer. It's a very good concealer, so I'm just applying it on my bridge of my nose, under eye circle, and wherever basically I want to conceal there, and highlight as well. Now with the help of the sponge, again I'll just spritz some Makeup Revolution onto the sponge, and then I'm just dabbing it off and setting my concealer properly with this. Now I'm using this Chambord compact and setting all my concealer and foundation with this. It's a good compact, and so I'm just applying it and setting all the all the foundation, concealer on place and properly. Now I'm taking this Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm using that nude shade. It's not completely brown, it's in between brown and nude color shade. So I'm just making my base with that. It is a transition color, you can say. So I'm just applying it onto the outer corner of my eyes. Then with the help of this dome shaped eye brush, I'm using that brown color onto the outer corner just to give the 3D dimension look. So I'm just dragging it a little bit inward as well. Now I'm taking this brown color, orangish. It's basically, it's brown, it's very light brown color, and mixed up with some orange, you can say, just to fill some color in between. And then I'm using this golden color from Makeup Revolution and just tapping in between the eyelid area. Then I'm using this Tri Sugar Cosmetic eyeliner and making a proper winged eyeliner. Thick and a proper winged eyeliner, you can say. I'm making it thick in between and outer, just making a normal line, wing. After that I applied my false eyelashes, and then I'm using this L'Oreal Magic kajal just to tightline my upper eyelash line. Then I'm using this L'Oreal Voluminous mascara and just applying it Then I'm taking this white color, nude color eye pencil from Oriflame, and just I'm going to tightline my tightline my lower eyelash line inside, inward side. Yeah, if it makes sense. I hope you can understand. See, then I'm using this Revlon lip pencil in brown color just to highlight my lower eyelash line. Because I have used this lip liner because it's not very dark like kajal, so I'm using that. And now I'm applying this L'Oreal mascara onto my low eyelash line. Now I'm using my typically nice brown color eyebrow pencil and making it like Moni. She's having a very thick eyebrow, so I'm just shaping it up and making it thick and filling it up with this brown color. It's a local brand. This pencil is from local brand. It's Me&E. Yeah, Me&E. Yeah, but it's very nice. I just love this pencil. And it's for just 30 rupees. Yes, it's just for 30 rupees. Now I'm just shaping it up with the eyebrow brush. Now I'm highlighting my area with the blush which I got from Fabbag, and from that I'm using the nude shade. I'm using this Essence Sun Club bronzer now and applying it onto the hollow of my cheeks, jawline area. Moni is having a very sharp jawline, so I have to make it. Then I'm using the same brown color eyebrow pencil to contour my nose. With the help of fingers, I'm blending off that color properly. Now I'm taking this Just Gold blusher palette and I'm using this peach color blusher. It's a light peach color, and just giving the touch, using it as a highlighter. Now I'm using this in color peach color blush and applying it onto the apple of my cheeks. Trying to build up the color. Now from this blush City Color, I'm using the upper shade, which is the nude color shade, just to highlight my bridge of my nose, my cheekbone area, my cupid's bow. Now I'm taking this Lakme Sheer highlighter and highlighting my areas where I've contoured. Now using this Lotus powder and setting off everything. Now I'm using this pencil, lip pencil. It's from a local brand, I guess from Meline, and it's a very beautiful color. Not pink, not coral, in between some of that mixed color, in between color. Now I'm using this Maybelline lipstick and I leave the shade below in the description box. So I'm applying it with the help of this lip pencil. Then I'll apply directly with lipstick. I'll apply directly from the lipstick. Oh god, I'm really very bad at explaining things, guys. Please excuse me for that. Now I'm taking this golden color again from the Makeup Revolution palette and applying it in between the lips just to highlight them. So tada, I'm almost ready. Now I'll apply some bindi and some Mangtika. And yes, I'm ready with the Shivanya look. Guys, I'm not married, but still. With that, we come to the end of this Moni Roy's Nagin inspired makeup Shivanya. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching it. It was a simple look, simple makeup. Moni is no doubt so beautiful. She has a flawless skin, and she's like really very, very beautiful. And I just tried to look like her. And if you liked it, then just give a thumbs up. It will really mean a lot to me. And do subscribe to my channel. And if any more looks you want me to create, then just you can leave the comment below. I'll do it for you guys. And yeah, do take care of yourself. Love you all. Bye. Good luck.